once we'd agreed the sale, Louise was my next point of contact, which she'd kept me updated with, solicitors back and forth, let me know the progression of things. Obviously, if I was a little worried or concerned about things not happening, she'd always reassure me, and she'd get in touch with the solicitors that were needed, and then ring me straight back and let me know what the feedback was or what was happening, which was brilliant, because that's what we needed to know, because obviously it's a stressful time and you want things to go as smoothly as possible. So yeah, and I built up a really nice rapport with Louise as well, as I'm sure she could tell you. We had very much fun in between all this, which was nice. And 100% I would recommend Preston Baker to anyone, friends or family. And if we ever did do it again, which probably won't happen, but if we did, I would definitely use them.